all have to tell the youth in Tripura that Teak plantation can bring rural employment. How? Because nurseries will be required, manpower will be required, furniture clusters we can form, timber-based enterprises will come up in Tripura. So how do I look at? I look at this thing that plant here in Tripura, protect here, process here, skill here, and stay here. 7 of them have been beaten up yesterday, I think. You got the news. Suddenly, kuch attack hua Kanchanpur side mein. Kuda happened, right? So they have been beaten up, and people keep telling, Forest Department kuch karte nahi, jungle saaf ho gaya. Now I want to tell the world, see how the forest officers are trying to protect the forest, and they are getting beaten up. Still people are telling, Forest Department kuch karte nahi. Is it only our duty? We are doing. Minister is trying, PCCF and office trying. Our DCFs are trying, DFUs are trying, FPUs are trying. Bahut hum kuch karte. Very sad. But we have to stand united and do our best. Humko karna hai. Very fine. And this recruitment, I am sure, will bring best of the best people in a fair process. Let this new guard come and get trained. KSR no training with them. At least 2 months. Then you see where Forest Department will stand. And of course, technology, as I told the other day also, technology must be used not for show, but for accountability. ऐसा दिखा नहीं चाहिए कि त्रिपुरा फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ने ड्रोन यूज किया, then what do you call it, 5D camera यूज किया, AI वाला camera यूज किया, not for show off. It should be for protecting our forest. I'm telling you. Let us do all this. I'm sure the training, the inaugural program today, what we have done, Teak Plantation Management Program will be very successful. इसके लिए prayer की जरूरत नहीं है. That I hope and I pray this management training will be successful. क्यों? इसको successful बनाना नहीं है बस. कोई prayer की कोई बात ही नहीं. It is so beneficial. Tell them that this is your benefit, and you will get all this out of this Teak plantation. And sometimes scientists, they don't talk well, I'm telling you. They do all these things, okay? They only will talk about the formula. Sometimes some scientists, they will come to your house, they will say, please give me H2O. Then you will wonder, H2O kya hai? That scientist was asking, mujhe a glass pani do. But scientists, they talk like that. Please give me 1 glass of H2O. What is this H2O? So, our rangers, officers, you try to understand and then interpret it well to the villages. And you know the art because you all are with them for so many years. You do that. And I, as a minister, I am here. I always tell, Samarji is here, Pravinji is here, Prabhu is here. I always tell them, Jitna tufan aayega, mero par aayega. But we have to go ahead. We have to prove that yes, we could bring the change.